This is the drama. The epic drama anthology. Normal programming has been suspended. Please stand by. This message has been transmitted at the request of your local police department. There have been multiple reports of zombie-like creatures roaming around your local area, and your local police department are currently investigating this situation. If you encounter these zombie-like creatures, report it to your local police department immediately. Please stay tuned to your local news about this life-threatening situation.
You can run, you can hide, but you cannot escape from us.
This channel has been hacked by the zombie-like creatures. We are trying to fix this mess. Please stand by.